DDL जो मूवी जब आई, राइट, लाइक ओ माय गॉड कितना अच्छा है, सब कुछ कितना सुंदर हो रहा है, यू नो, कितने रोमांटिक सीन्स हैं, देखो ये कहीं भी घूमने जा रहे हैं, यूरोस्टार में घूम रहे हैं, पैसे की कोई कमी नहीं है, राइट, और फिर उनके पापा जी कह रहे हैं जा सिमरन जी ले अपनी जिंदगी, कुछ नहीं होता है you know, so the picture these Bollywood movies create, right, they are good to start with, but it doesn't happen, you know. Life is not that 3 घंटे का फिल्म जो चल रही है और 3 घंटे में खत्म हो जाए.
Hi, Babs.
Hi Sanjana.
Hi. So excited to see you today.
Same here, Sanjana.
So we had a great, meaningful conversation about marriage, and that kept me. I was thinking about it later on, and I'm like, I have more questions from Babs. So just to, ask you, just to kind of familiarize the audience, So we had a conversation about marriage, and Babs were talking about how she get married, and she's going to tell us the whole story again, which she shared with me recently.
So it's a long story, like a Bollywood story. So I have a love marriage, right? And so love marriage by definition is very Indian, right? Means you choose partner of your choice, right? And need not be necessarily be approved by your parents, right? But in my case, we had to have approval, right? So it was funny, you know why? Because Deepak and I were studying together, and he is like 4 years younger than me. So that was the thing, right? But having said so, I think that's the most pure feeling I ever had, right? Having him as my life partner has been a dream come true, to be very honest, you know, because I always tell all my friends, I married my best friend. he was in my friends group, right? I used to talk to him like day in, day out, as all the girls do. They can talk non-stop, right? But I always also think love marriage means you are making the most important decision of your life on your own, right?
Which is a big thing.
Exactly.
Right?
And at that age, like you just, you finish that teenager, right? So you are like, what, 20, 21. In early 20s, even psychology and biology says your frontal lobe is not full developed. And then you are making a decision as huge as being a person you will spend your life with forever. It's a huge thing, right? But again, when I go and look back, what was more important? Me choosing a life partner who I want to spend life with, or relying on my parents' decision. Okay, first of all of these ideas, all of these talks are, there's a disclaimer there.
Yeah.
This is my experience, right? Your
Yeah.
experience can be very different than mine, right? And you may not agree with things which I say. But again, I totally respected my parents' decision too,
Yeah.
right? They were looking for a groom for me. They were well settled grooms, right? So much so, I would have had life of a princess, honestly, and would be a queen right now. But then, did I really want that, right? Did I really want to settle down where I had no active input or no active involvement in the day-to-day's decisions, right? Deepak and I have seen such ups and downs in life, right? We have made our life we started life from scratch actually twice during our 25 years now.
Yeah.
So that has been important to me. The memories we have made every day are important to me, right?
Yeah.
Looking back, you also, I feel, love marriage, like I was telling you, it's I choose, you approve, right?
Yeah.
Is the method. So I choose, as in I'm choosing my life partner, but I do need my parents' approval, right?
Yeah.
But then every day was tricky.
Yeah.
Because all the things after wedding, those simple small ceremonies after wedding, where when you're going back to your mom's house for the first time, when you have those ceremonies when you conceive, your mom gives you gifts, then
Yeah.
7th month, all
Yeah.
these are such important part of your culture, right? But there are always a little stress there in the love marriage, right? So are you ready for that? There are many questions you need to ask yourself, okay? But what is the benefit? Now looking back, I can talk to Deepak about anything, right? The trust we have, the communication we have, that's the important foundation of our wedding, right?
Yeah.
So
जो टर्म यूज़ करते हैं हम, लव मैरिज, अरेंज मैरिज, ये टोटली आई थिंक हम इंडियंस या देसी लोग
Yeah,
यूज़ करते हैं, राइट? क्योंकि हर मैरिज में लव तो है ही, राइट? मैरिज इज़ टू इंडिविजुअल्स लविंग ईच अदर, राइट? सो बट ये टर्म जो हम यूज़ कर रहे हैं, लव मैरिज, अरेंज मैरिज, टिपिकली यूज्ड इन Indian or Desi marriages, when parents are deciding the partner for their kids, that's called arranged, right? And then the love is जब बच्चे खुद decide करते हैं, and then they pick a partner, but they always, most of the times, वो चाहते हैं कि parents भी approve करें, right? That's how most of the
That's how
times
it should be.
right?
Yeah. Again,
And
that's my thought
कभी-कभी-
process,
हाँ, और
right?
कभी-कभी parents नहीं भी improve करते, so वो
Yeah.
hardships होते हैं, right? Because the decision has been made by the young adult,
Yeah.
right? And parents की thought कुछ और है,
Yeah.
right? Maybe they are also right, and the young adult is also right, but
Yeah.
their thoughts could be completely different. So
But
I think वो हमें हाँ,
Yeah.
so clearly love and जो arranged term है वो हम देसी लोग use करते हैं, right? So Babs, have you seen any arranged marriage also, like to compare, in your life?
Of course.
In your life,
Of course.
yeah.
My parents' marriage was arranged marriage, right? So I was, product of an arranged marriage.
So देखा कि
देखा,
कैसे
every day देखा. पापा business में थे, right? I saw how much my mom had to compromise on stuff, right?
Yeah.
How much she was involved in raising us. My
Yeah.
dad was involved too, but he was most of the times he was on tours,
Travel करते हैं.
travel कर रहे हैं. So उनमें भी understanding थी. But I know whenever there was some crisis, my mom could easily go back to my masis,
Yeah.
saying आज ये हुआ, or my nani. Love marriage, I don't think so. But because you have made that decision,
Yeah.
right? You have to live with it,
yeah,
right?
especially शुरू के साल कुछ,
Exactly,
right?
yeah.
हाँ.
Isn't it? So पहले कुछ साल में एडजस्टमेंट दोनों साइड्स पे होता है. अरेंज मैरिज में भी होता है, लव मैरिज में भी होता है, राइट? बट लव मैरिज में बिकॉज योर डिसीजन, सो यू कैन नॉट गो and cry about it, especially with your parents, because you don't want to make them sad in any case, right?
Yeah.
कि तुमने choose किया है and you knew it, and you get to hear that from people,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
I got to hear that from people. He's your choice. Yes,
Yeah.
he's your choice. That does not mean the road will be always rosy for me.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
So whenever you decide to be with anyone, be it your friend or your neighbors or your life partner, you have to come to, you have to understand each other. You have to see what are the positives, what are the negatives, how can I overcome those negatives, right?
Yeah.
And that's true for love marriage. This it's nothing different.
Yeah.
सिर्फ स्टार्टिंग का एक अलग है कि
Yeah.
ठीक है तुमने लड़का चुना है या तुम्हारे पेरेंट्स ने चुना है.
Yeah.
अभी तुम्हारे पेरेंट्स ने चुना है तो उनके अपने क्राइटेरिया हैं. उनके क्राइटेरिया है कि बच्चा वेल
कुछ
सेटल्ड
check
होना
mark हो
चाहिए,
गए कि नहीं हुए.
राइट? कि वेल सेटल्ड होना चाहिए, फैमिली सेटल्ड होनी चाहिए, फैमिली कितनी रेप्यूटेड है. तुम लव मैरिज में क्या देखते हो, राइट? आई डोंट नो मैंने क्या देखा. ठीक है, मुझे ये देखा कि बस ओके दिस इज द पर्सन जो कि मेरे साथ हमेशा है, right? कुछ भी हो रहा है, Deepak will always be there. That's what I saw, and it happened. It was not a conscious decision, but when it came to कि जो पापा मम्मी देख रहे हैं, उन्होंने 2-3 लड़के दिखाए, I'm like, no, this is not me, right? I cannot relate to these people. तो जैसे अरेंज मैरिज होता है ना, इकट्ठे तुम बात करते हो, मैंने वैसे भी 2-3 लड़कों से बात की,
बातें भी करेंगे।
right? And honestly, after 2 sentences, I couldn't talk to them, right? So there was a disconnect.
Yeah.
Okay. I would have settled down. ठीक है, अगर मामा पापा चाहते ही हैं कि शादी करनी है, but now looking back, I think I made the right decision to marry Deepak.
Yeah.
Right? Not only because क्यों मेरा choice था, but मुझे था कि that he will be able to gel with my parents too.
You could see that, right?
See, again वही बात है कि हम लोग क्या देखते हैं? See, for my kids or for my parents, it's all the family values also, right?
Yeah.
Which are coming in when you are choosing friends. Like, so though physics says likes, repel, but in psychology, ऐसे ही था ना, likes there. So here likes attract. Right? You and I can only be friends when we have common things to talk about, when we have common values we agree to, right?
Yeah.
Similarly, in partners, you have those common things you agree to.
And which is किसी भी marriage चाहे
Exactly.
if you say about the वही same love या arrange जो in देसीज़म बोलते हैं,
Yeah.
चाहे अपने आप करो चाहे parents की choice, दोनों situation में you have to have the same value structure.
True.
Right? तभी वो आगे successful हो सकता है।
पता है क्या लगता है, अब ये कॉन्सेप्ट फिर फेड होता जा रहा है। Why? Because when we were growing up, right, our parents, the way they were brought up, the way they were, their values were, they kind of maintained a closed outlook towards the partners their kids were bringing home. But now if you see, looking at you, looking at me, right, we have gone through that transition. So we still maintain, again, my thoughts, right? We still maintain that open view towards the partners our kids are bringing in, right?
Yeah.
Because we give them a fair chance. पहले क्या होता था ना, बॉलीवुड में नहीं, लड़की लव मैरिज नहीं करेगी, ये हमारे इज्जत के खिलाफ है। So, अब वो चेंज हो रहा है, राइट? और हो चुका है, आई एम श्योर इंडिया में भी हो चुका है, राइट? जितना फैमिलीज में मैं
I
जानती
think
हूँ, right?
globalization में
Yeah.
सबका I think platform almost similar
Yeah,
हो गया, right? Because via internet and via social media, I think सब जगह सब कुछ similar ही हो रहा है, right?
Yeah.
Which also I sometimes feel like हमें अपने culture, अपने values को तो maintain रखना है,
True.
but वो थोड़ा बहुत dilute हो रहा है, क्योंकि even though some things are happening for good, because open thinking and being good listener. I think a lot of people are listening to others more, different viewpoints, right? Especially globally, different viewpoints. But again, उसमें फिर we also have this thing that kids पे pressure भी पड़ता है, right?
True.
That's another thing,
True.
right?
Yeah.
So चलो marriage के बारे में फिर से बात करते हैं। इसमें so you saw parents की arranged marriage and you had love marriage, right? So दोनों में कुछ common देखा था कि like कि ये तो दोनों marriages में ही है।
True. Right? Commitment चाहिए दोनों marriages में, patience चाहिए दोनों में, right? So even if you think you are marrying somebody you have chosen for yourself, but still शादी के बाद you're living with that person for 24 hours every day, right? There are things that person has you don't know about that person, because see, when you date you show the rosy picture, right? nice सब कुछ nice है, but जब तुम शादी करके इकट्ठे रह रहे हो, डेली रूटीन है तुम्हारा, you may have some different routine than your husband's, right? You have, अगर मेरे को और दीपक को तुम मिलो, we are totally different, right? I'm very social, very outgoing. He's a home person. He stays at home. He loves being there, right? उसको disturb नहीं कर सकते हो तुम घर पे. But this is the understanding you need. Remember one thing, Sanjana. Everyone. You're not there to change the other person. Right? तुमने शादी की उस बंदे से किया ना, as is किया, right? So I kind of, when I'm married, I say let it be, right?
Yeah.
You let the other person be them too.
Yeah. नहीं तो फिर disagreements होती हैं, right? Because you
Exactly.
want the other person to behave in a certain way that you think, right? Right?
That's not right.
Yeah.
Right? Everyone has their own choices. Everyone has their own comfort zone, their own personality, right? And you have to. And same is true for the partner too. They should not expect you to behave in a certain way.
Yeah.
Right.
Yeah.
So that's when those agreements, which make a marriage sustainable, that commitment towards each other, that trust towards each other,
Patience
and plus communication. तुम्हें बुरा लग रहा है ना कोई चीज, जाके बात करो. You don't just keep on thinking about
Brewing it, right?
Exactly. Right. And these are certain things जो कि तुम्हें पहले शादी के 1-2 साल में समझ आ जाते हैं how to handle those.
Yeah.
Right. That's why marriages that sustain, say, first few years are forever.
Yeah.
Because you know when not to disturb your partner too, right? And and पता नहीं, मुझे लगता है लड़कियां तो बहुत चालाक होती हैं. उनको तो पता है किस तरह से अपना काम निकलवाना है.
Yeah. But again,
but
I think हर बारी वही मैं कई बार सोचती हूँ कि it's initial years are challenging, right? Two new people, even if it's love marriage, because you are meeting each other, dating each other at your best behavior, right? But when you, as you said, when you end up living with each other, then it's like you're seeing everything about that person, right?
But एक difference है, पता है क्या difference है? See, so when you marry the person of your choice, right? पहले 2-3 साल में तुम आपस में adjustment कर रहे हो. You're coming to know each other more and in depth. But on the same hand, because you have made that choice, you have to really stand up for each other in front of the family.
Okay.
ठीक है? Because see, अगर दीपक ने मुझे चूज किया है, so अब सारे जो उसके पेरेंट्स हैं, उसके फैमिली है, right? मैं उसकी चॉइस की वाइफ हूँ. So now he cannot talk against me in front of them. Right? So slightest of the things, जैसे अगर कुछ भी किसी मासी मामी ने बोला, दीपक just stands up for stood up for me then. Same for me, right? चाहे मेरी जितनी मर्जी अनबन हो रही है घर पे, चाहे मैं बात नहीं करूँ उससे, but dad और mom के सामने he is the best, right?
Yeah.
So that blind support वो love marriage में बहुत जरूरी चाहिए. ठीक है? You see, when it's arranged marriage, your parents are already impressed with the
Family
partner.
and the guy, yeah.
But when it's love marriage, you have to get that respect for your partner and their family. You have to stand up. You have to project them in a very nice, positive light, right? You have to showcase what you saw in that person. Your parents haven't seen that.
Yeah.
They haven't been there when you were dating that guy, right? So that means now it's on you to show that positivity to them and convince them, right? Before wedding or after wedding. Depends कि कैसा तुम्हारा रहा है system, right? But that entire support जो तुम दिखाते हो शादी के बाद, that brings more love into the.
That's true. Yeah. वो करते सारा environment ही positive हो गया.
Yeah.
Because negative talks हो ही नहीं रही.
And
Because negative
always-
talks को भी I think अगर एक बोलता है फिर दूसरा कुछ बोलता है, फिर वो बात छोटी से बड़ी हो जाती है, right?
best is
But
leave that
जहाँ पे leave that
situation,
situation कि किसी ने बोला तो तुमने कहा no ये तो बहुत अच्छा है, So I guess
I'm a very, very optimistic person, right? And I really believe things will become right, right? You have to just trust the process and trust how you are handling the things, right? अगर तुम्हारा दिल साफ है ना, चीज़ें हमेशा ठीक होंगी, ठीक है? Nothing can go wrong. So, yeah, love marriage or arranged marriage, they both have their positives, right? But मुझे लगता है ये सब कुछ अब फेज वो हो रहा है, खत्म हो रहा है. Why? Because ultimately you're choosing a partner who you want to live with forever. What are the things you value, right?
Yeah.
Like I wanted my partner always be there with me, whether he talks to me or not. मैं खुद ही बक बक कर लूँ, ठीक है? Right? right? So I wanted my partner always to, you know,
words.
या
Yeah.
सुन इस तुम्हारी सुन रहे हैं चुपचाप that was that's
नहीं, मतलब,
and agree and
yeah.
he's kind of if the person is not opposing then
Yeah,
he's agreeing,
yeah,
right?
yeah.
to be easy actually,
Yeah, easy,
right?
yeah.
So that I get my breathing space,
Yeah.
I get my things to, you know, the things I want to do,
Yeah.
right? So वो भी जरूरी है ना,
जरूरी है ना,
वो
हर एक को
बहुत
स्पेस
ज़रूरी है.
बहुत जरूरी
Everybody
है.
needs space, yeah. और स्पेस लेनी भी पड़ती है और देनी भी पड़ती है,
Yep,
which
yep,
is
yep,
mutual,
yep.
right?
Yeah.
and then whatever you do, your kids are learning that too, right? So both my daughters are, you know, learning from our relationship. So अब और चीज़ एक मैं कभी कभी सोचती हूँ संजना कि यहाँ पे ट्रिकी क्या हो गया बच्चों के लिए, बिकॉज लव मैरिज ज़्यादा यू नो हमारी डेफिनेशन में लव मैरिज दे
Yeah.
चूजिंग देयर ओन
They're
पार्टनर,
choosing their own partner.
so I feel that comes with an age ticket. Do you feel that so?
Yeah.
Because 20s और 30s, 30s के बाद बच्चों के लिए अपने पार्टनर ढूंढने मुश्किल हो रहे हैं. That I've seen in some of my friends' kids, right? Either they settle down or choose a dedicated relationship before 30. After this, it's difficult for them. So love marriages comes with their own challenges. तुम अरेंज मैरिज में कभी भी डिपेंड कर सकते हो पेरेंट्स पे, बट और लव मैरिज में तुम ये भी नहीं हो सकते तुम एक ही बंदे के साथ अभी मिले और इसी से मैं कमिट करूंगी. So you have to go through the trials.
Oh, yeah, that's true.
right.
That's important,
Yes.
actually. Yeah.
And that's so true for these our kids, right? The next generation, right? So if they don't start dating, say by mid 20s, it's difficult for them to date in 30s and then to settle down,
Yeah.
right?
The time, the
I
time
have
is
some
good.
friends in LA. That girl recently called me and she was very upset. Now she's in her 40s, right? By 30s, she was so busy with her career and all. Now she's not married and she really needs somebody, because end of the day, you know, I'll come to this some other day in some other episode, right? How loneliness is a big cause of depressions,
Yeah,
right?
it is, yeah.
And you need a life partner.
You need somebody to talk to, somebody to share.
Yes, yes.
Yeah.
And especially as you head towards your mid 60s, 70s, you need a partner, right? चाहे तुम्हारी बात हो ना हो, चाहे तुम चक चक करते हो, somebody to be around, somebody to be physically around, right? And when I heard her, then I thought, this was last week when she called me, then I really thought, oh my god, are arranged marriages better? Because at least parents, they force you to marry, right? No matter
Yeah.
how bad you say, at least you have someone. But then I contradicted myself there itself, thinking, what if I don't gel with that person now? Do I want to end up with a person physically around me who I don't like,
Yeah.
who I don't go well along with,
Yeah.
right?
आई थिंक कुछ बीच का सिस्टम होना
Yeah,
चाहिए
yeah.
कि कुछ एज के बाद आई फील अगेन कि कुछ एज के बाद थोड़ा इंटरवेंशन फैमिली कैन हेल्प अ लिटिल बिट बिकॉज आई थिंक इट्स नॉट इवन easy to find you know, for some people maybe they are in a college setting or master setting, they find somebody, right? But not everybody is
You
that
know,
lucky,
yeah,
right? कि उनको
exactly.
perfect
That's what I was
partner
coming to.
Yeah, even
Love
dating के
marriages,
लिए
It's luck,
Yeah.
a big luck that plays a role, right?
Yeah.
Dating के लिए भी,
Dating
right?
के लिए भी, right?
Exactly.
Yeah.
So इसलिए, like I said, you're not going to marry the first person you meet.
Yeah. Trial and error करना पड़ेगा,
Okay?
right?
And that's what this generation needs to understand. Again, I'm getting preachy now.
Yeah, no, that's fine. And
That
again,
there's a
we,
right time to. I understand career, I understand education, but then this is your social life, this is your romantic life, right? And we need to have that also in picture.
you know.
part of your everything
Yeah.
to do list tasks होते हैं
Yeah, yeah.
या bucket list कि ये करना है ये you know again I think exploration and trial and error and then at some point if that doesn't happen then family has to intervene कि okay we
Sure.
are ready to help you now
Yeah,
maybe
yeah.
you need some assistance in
Yeah.
this process
इतना-
right
इतना एक एज लिखी होनी चाहिए. After this,
हाँ.
you figure out or we'll figure out.
right? ये नहीं हुआ तो अब ये next ये कर सकते हैं
Let's see how much our kids will listen to this.
because I think there is because then there is the thing कि time बहुत ज़्यादा हो गया now there's like less people are available जो single हैं, and then फिर कैसे करो, right? उसमें choice कम हो गई.
But having said so, if you're very lucky, you might find a partner in the later stage too.
In the later stage too.
But the
right.
probability decreases, right?
Yeah.
But yeah, so love marriage is an experience in itself, right?
Yeah.
From the day one, right? You have made your decision. You have taken that क्या बोलते हैं अपनी जिंदगी की कमान अपने हाथ में लिए.
हाँ.
Right.
Plus, you know, you also said कि you know that person well, so it's kind of beginning time is a little bit easier. बिल्कुल जो right beginning के सोच ले तो एक दो महीने.
I haven't seen the other side of it, so I won't say that for sure. But yes, very true. मतलब जो first जब तुम शादी करके नए घर में आते हो, right? I'm sure if arranged marriage people can relate to that. Then you don't know anyone, including your husband. But जब तुम love marriage करके आते हो ना, you can just cling on to that person.
This one
right?
friend of yours, right?
Like a baby monkey to that mama monkey. Okay, don't leave me anywhere. That was me with Deepak. It was like, अगर मैं बाहर जाऊंगी तो तुम पहले चलोगे. I don't want to go out alone.
I know. That's
Right?
true.
So if I'm getting up at like say 7:30, even he doesn't want to get up. He has to get up. Right? No, Deepak, मैं बाहर नहीं जाऊंगी. Everyone is so not known to me.
Yeah.
The first day was, oh my God. You know, जब तुम you're still that beautiful bahu, you know, you're in that home. अभी तुमने you don't know करना क्या बाहर जाके कमरे के.
बच्चे लेके जाना जरूरी है.
Right? और जाना भी जरूरी है क्योंकि तुमने अच्छी बहू भी बनना है. So every baby step that person
was leading you.
Yeah,
and helping
yeah.
you.
So that transition becomes very easy because in any case you may have lots of negatives, but this person is portraying yourself, you in a very positive light, right?
Yeah.
Is there if you mess up. पीछे तो हमारे तो बहुत सारा पीछे से काम हो जाता था. जैसे मैं तो करवा चौथ की बता रही थी कि पानी पीना जब पीछे से पानी की बोतल ले आता.
Yeah.
Right? So वो टाइम लगा.
Time like
ठीक
that.
है. मतलब टाइम इन द सेंस कि वो अरेंज मैरिज में टाइम लगता है. बट देन अल्टीमेटली आफ्टर आई थिंक फ्यू इयर्स, नॉट लुकिंग बैक, आफ्टर 25 years आई थिंक दोनों शादियां बहुत अच्छी हैं.
हाँ, वो तो है.
कोई बुरा और गलत नहीं.
हाँ, वो तो है.
कोई बुरा और गलत नहीं है.
पर वो initial time when you
Yeah.
know somebody, it's a little easier, right?
Yeah.
And then अगर तुम almost like stranger or
True.
maybe a very acquaintance, then it's like okay, you also don't know that person.
Yeah.
So Babs, I have one really like question for me. Like I'm like, okay, I'm thinking I need to ask you. So does Bollywood, Hollywood has influenced
Oh my
our
God, big
decisions? Is it in a positive way or negative way?
So मेरे रूम में एक बहुत बड़ा शाहरुख खान का पोस्टर होता था व्हेन आई वाज ग्रोइंग अप, एंड उसमें शाहरुख खान ने ऐसे किया था, उसकी आंखों में हल्के से आंसू, में सारे वक्त वही देखती थी. देन DDLJ मूवी जब आई, राइट, लाइक ओ माय गॉड कितना अच्छा है, सब कुछ कितना सुंदर हो रहा है, यू नो, कितने रोमांटिक सीन्स हैं, देखो ये कहीं भी घूमने जा रहे हैं, यूरोस्टार में घूम रहे हैं, पैसे की कोई कमी नहीं है, राइट. और फिर उनके पापा जी कह रहे हैं जा सिमरन जी ले अपनी जिंदगी. कुछ नहीं होता है. You know, so the picture these Bollywood movies create, right? They are good to start with, but it doesn't happen. You know, life is not that 3 घंटे का फिल्म जो चल रही है और 3 घंटे में खत्म हो जाएगी. Okay? अगर पापा ने कह भी दिया जा बेटा जी ले अपनी जिंदगी, पापा फिर भी थोड़ा नाराज है. फिर भी ऐसे सीन हमारे घर में हुए हैं जब मैं घर पे वापस गई हूँ, जैसे मम्मी के घर में पहले बहुत बाहर हफ्ते जाती थी मम्मी के घर, ठीक है, तो पापा अपना टीवी देख रहे हैं, दीपक अपना वीडियो गेम खेल रहे हैं. कोई जिंदगी नहीं जी रहा,
कोई ज्यादा बात नहीं कर रहा,
राइट, ठीक है. पर देखो जब मेरी शादी हुई थी पापा बहुत सैड हुए थे, मुझे याद है पापा रोए थे, बहुत ज्यादा रोए थे, ठीक है. मेरे और पापा का ना बहुत ज्यादा ऐसे प्यार था, राइट. पर उसके बाद मुझे लगा कि मैंने पापा को बहुत दुखी किया है, ठीक है. बट देन जब दीपक जाके पापा से बातें करता था मुझे वो भी अच्छा लगता था. सो मैं कभी डिसाइड ही नहीं कर पाई कि इन दोनों का रिलेशनशिप है क्या. क्या इन दोनों की बनती है कि नहीं बनती है, राइट. बट बॉलीवुड में तो ऐसे स्विच होता है. कि चलो अब अमरीश पुरी जी ने बोल दिया जा सिमरन तू अपनी जिंदगी जी ले, तो बिल्कुल ही ठीक हो गए वो,
बिल्कुल ठीक हो गया।
राइट? सब happy.
बट हैप्पीली एवर आफ्टर दिखाते नहीं है ना,
Yeah.
एज्यूम हम लोग एज्यूम करते हैं कि
Yeah.
सब ठीक होगा, विच आई थिंक अगेन एज यू सेड विद प्रॉपर कम्युनिकेशन, विद द ट्रस्ट, पेशेंस,
It takes time.
Right? In both the marriages it take times. Arranged marriage में तुम आपस में टाइम लगा रहे हो, लव मैरिज में तुम स्ट्रांग हो बट तुम फैमिली के साथ टाइम लगा रहे हो, राइट?
Yeah.
सो फैमिली एक्सेप्टेंस इट टेक्स टाइम। बाकी मुझे इतना समझ आता है लव मैरिज में लेटर ऑन सूनर पेरेंट्स मान जाते हैं, राइट? मैंने आज तक अपने फ्रेंड्स में, अपनी फैमिली कभी नहीं देखा कि पेरेंट्स हमेशा नाराज हो। अल्टीमेटली तुम उनके बच्चे ही हो, राइट?
Yeah.
Right? So they know कि no matter what you will be there, as in they have to be there for
Yeah.
you and you will be there for them.
Yeah.
तो फैमिली का हमारे इंडिया में मतलब यही रहा है ना कि हम सब इकट्ठे हैं,
Yeah.
ठीक है? तो वो भी मान जाते हैं बट
एंड अगेन
भी
वो
रहता है।
आजकल की जनरेशन का तो ये है कि it's a different model now, right?
Yeah.
So most of the marriages, I think very few जो arrange कर रहे हैं marriage, most of them kids would date and they'll date for many years and then they'll make a decision, right? उसमें भी again as we said confusion भी होता है, but उसमें ये है कि at least you know the person very well before you make that call.
Yeah.
Right?
note, I had a discussion with someone once about live-in relationships. What's the significance of this, especially when it comes to love marriage? But I would say arranged marriage too, right?
Yeah.
You need to spend time with that person,
Yeah.
live with that person to figure out कि तुम्हारा कितना compatibility है, ठीक है? See, फिर भी adjustments करने पड़ेंगे, ठीक है? छोटी छोटी बातों के adjustments करने, because things or the situations will not remain same, right? जब तुमने शादी किया तब तुम्हारी family का support था financial, maybe you both were earning a little or maybe you were well
Family
settled,
was
but things will
supportive,
change.
yeah.
Later on kids will come into the picture, later on maybe pets will come into the picture,
Yeah.
right? Or you
Or
start losing
jobs,
your
or
family.
jobs turns into businesses, and then
Later
there's
on,
transition.
See, what is midlife crisis, man? Right? Midlife crisis is you start losing your parents on one hand, and your kids are also, going to their
Adolescence.
yeah,
and-
adolescence में जा रहे हैं, तो वो भी तुम्हें बुरा बोल रहे हैं. So that's where that's your weakest moment, right? When you need somebody to support you. तो चीजें situation change होती रहेंगी.
Change होते रहेंगे.
ठीक है, so you have to have अब 20s में ना इतना सेंस नहीं होता यार ये समझने का कि when I'll be in say my 40s will that person still be the person I want that person to be, right?
Yeah.
So you have to set up those channels, keep those channels open where you're talking, where you're communicating, where you kind of subtly understand your partner.
Yeah.
Right.
And
So
modifying also behavior patterns, right?
that if my partner wants me not to talk to him right now, let me be okay with that.
Yeah.
Right? Give him that space. Give him. He has his personality. You have your own personality, right? And both of these should make the environment happy and calming, rather than just rocking the boat, right?
Yeah.
And then I tell my kids, you have to know when the party is over for you. So don't just live in a relationship which is already died. That's important too, right?
Yeah.
But anyhow, that's those are my experiences. Take it or leave it.
Any last message, Babs, for my viewers? Like,
Love your life, right? And enjoy every minute of it, because it's so uncertain. You may never know what's going to happen tomorrow, right?
Yeah.
So live for the moment. Plan the future, but be okay with it if it doesn't turn out the way you plan.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
So both the weddings, both the marriages, they require lots of patience, right? Because you are building a friend for life, right? A friend who you chose or your parents chose for you. One and the same thing, right? Here, but someone who you will want to be around when you grow old, when you're in your 70s, your 80s, somebody who will hold your hand if you cannot walk properly. Or maybe somebody who will take you to restroom if you are not able to. So you invest. See, बैंक में भी तुम पैसे तब निकाल सकते हो तुम इन्वेस्ट
Invest करो तो.
ठीक है.
Yeah.
और वो इन्वेस्टमेंट कब है? when you are young. In your 30s you're investing that, building that bank वो ताकि बाद में तुम निकाल दो.
So basically, yeah, that's what they say. Invest in the relationship.
Yes,
Because as you grow older, you're going to need each other, right?
Yes.
And that's going to be your best friend to, you can travel together and do things together.
Yeah.
Watch movies.
Watch
and
movies.
start some movie and sleep through.
And then you say, wonder kya hua?
क्या हुआ इसमें?
And she's like, I'm never gonna watch movie with you again.
बीच में सो जाती है.
Oh my God,
you so much,
that happens
Raj.
with you too.
Thanks
yeah,
so
no,
much.
I
you
loved
know.
it,
I was
Sanjana. Thank you so
happy
much.
that you came to Sanj Talks and you talked from your heart. That's what I love about you, Babs. Thanks.
Thank you.
If you wanna talk about anything at all, then you know who to call. Just tell Sanjana. Tell Sanjana. Tell Sanjana. Tell Sanjana. Just tell Sanjana.